Well, we thought it would be funny to show you guys some of the funny stuff that Raina does, my dog. So, here you go.
Raina, do you want to get a bath? Do you want to get a bath? Where are you going, Raina? Do you want to get a bath? Lay down. Do you want to get a bath? Raina, I can't see you. Raina! You're going to get a bath. Did you? You're going to get a bath. Did you?
Okay, another thing she hates is this. She's gonna bite me.
Raina!